Art Creates Hope, a channel designed to encourage creativity and positivity during these uncertain times. My name is Hope. I'll be guiding you through each of our art adventures. In this episode, we'll learn about the Philadelphia art initiative, Hagopian Arts, and their newest mural series, Hope Medallions. Then, we'll create medallion-inspired gratitude cards that you can give to someone you love. Gratitude is acknowledging and appreciating the goodness in your life. It is being ready to appreciate and return positivity and kindness. Practicing gratitude has many benefits, like increased and improved optimism, physical and mental health, and happiness. Gratitude can also help you build long-lasting connections with those around you. Expressing gratitude will bring happiness to both you and the receiver. Cards or drawings can help show someone you really care for that you value them. For our gratitude card, we'll look at the work of Hagopian Arts for inspiration. Check out our Google Classroom for Zentangle examples and instructions. Hagopian Arts is a woman-owned public art initiative based in West Philadelphia. It was founded in 2015 by fine art muralist Kala Hagopian. Hagopian Arts specializes in murals inspired by nature. Bright patterns and realistic scenes are combined to create eye-catching public art. Hagopian Arts' newest project is a series of Hope Medallions. Designed and painted by Kala and her lead assistant, Olivia Losi Younger, and made in partnership with Mural Arts Philadelphia. These medallions are meant to empower us, reminding us to try our best during these uncertain times. Each pattern is paired with a word of encouragement. The stunning imagery and shining words remind us of our own beauty and strength. This medallion displays the word gratitude. For this project, you'll need one piece of blank paper, a pencil, eraser, and colored pencils, markers, or crayons. Optional supplies include metallic paint markers or metallic gel pens to add a special touch to your project. Let's get started with our project tutorial. Thank you for joining us. We hope you had fun designing your own gratitude card to send to a loved one. We'd love to see what you made. You can submit your artwork to our Google Classroom. Join our classroom by signing in and entering our class code, KA6AHPY. Remember to leave us a comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another art lesson. See you soon!